54व्या इफ्फीच्या दुसऱ्या दिसा फिल्म मोग्यांनी पणजे आयनॉक्स तशेंच कला अकादमी वाठारांत फिल्मांचो आस्वाद घेवपा खातीर मोठ्या संख्येन हाजेरी लायली. इफ्फीच्या दुसऱ्या दिसा इन कन्वर्सेशन ह्या सत्रांत सकाळीं 11 वरांचेर ए वतन मेरे वतन ह्या फिल्माचे दिग्दर्शक कनन, अभिनेत्री सारा अली खान, बॉलिवूडचे नामनेचे फिल्म निर्माते करण जौहर हांच्या हजेरींत ह्या फिल्माचे प्रेक्षकांच्या मुखार उलोवप जालें. 1942 सालांतल्या भारत छोडो आंदोलनाच्या फाटभुंयेर हे फिल्म आदारीत आसा अशी माहिती तांच्यांनी ह्या वेळार दिली.
themselves to fight against any kind of upheaval. There's just so much history that our country has to offer. I've said this yesterday and I'll say it again. I'm a history student, but I still don't think I can name you more than 25 freedom fighters on a good day. And there are many, many, many more. And the story of sacrifice takes very many forms, you know. There's the bravery and the strength that we can visualize, and you think of Bhagat Singh. But there's also so many unsung heroes, sacrifices that take the form of just personal strength. Valor that's not necessarily physical, but so much mental fortitude required on a daily, consistent basis to fight for what you truly love. And when we talk about love, we have a qawwali also in the film. And somebody asked me a very interesting question, that usually qawwalis are, used as the declaration of love. And how is it different in your film? I said, it's not. This is the epitome of love. देश प्रेमी से बढ़कर क्या प्यार होता है? कुछ ही नहीं होता. And I think ये फिल्म वो दर्शाने की कोशिश कर रहा है कि ये जो आज़ादी की लड़ाई होती है अलग अलग रंगों में देखी जाती है. There are many forms of it, and I think that through this film we are attempting to showcase just that.
I want you to know, as an audience, this film will keep you on your feet as well. It is also a thriller in its end. And I don't want everyone to just think that this is some saga of a freedom fighter, which it is, and a brave one, and a beautiful one. But the way Kanan has directed it is the last act of that film will keep you at the edge of your seat. It's literally thrilling as well. And that to me was the big plus of this film, that you can manage that component by telling a patriotic narrative. And there is truly a directorial victory.